Good evening, friends. My name is Akshata, and as we all know, today we are here for the debate, and our debate topic is our business versus job. So, here is Team A for the job and Team B for the business. So, I speak for the job. So we all know job is for the reliable and tension-free job, and also it's a fixed hours job, so we can enjoy other things also. But in business, we have to keep it there, and also we don't need any time about other any enjoyable things. So this is for our next one. Okay.
Hi everyone, my name is Shweta, and my point of view, business is better than job because in business we work from ourselves, and in job we work for others, and we always happy for we work ourselves as compared to others, and in job fixed income is but in business we earn more as compared to job.
Hello, my name is Priya. I agree with Shweta ma'am, but I think job is the better option than business, because job you have security, and there is a future arrangements are there for our retirement plan is there, and there is a this job also gives us respect in society, and for doing business you need much more money, and every person don't have that amount to start his job, to start his business. So I am in favor of job, and it is more reliable and easy for person, and respectful for peoples.
But every business have not much money. Some small business we also start from less money.
But it is not that we can say that it is for long time duration. Most of the business get down according to seasons.
Yes, ma'am, I agree with you. But in business, there is some kind of or more opportunity to increase our finance, because as you say, in job there is a security. Yeah, of course, in job it is security for the our future. But in business, in my point of view, in business, when we got that type of finance or that type of reputation or that type of success, so it is not in a decrease way business fall down. It is increase upward direction. So I think in business there is also security, because it is in our hand to how to make our business successful. But in a opposite means in favor of a job, it is not in our hand. So I think it is business is more preferable or more advantage for the our society.
But as I say, in job we have fixed hours, and we enjoy another interest. But in business we have to that means we have to time more in business, so that we can't get any good interest or anything. In job we can
Actually, as a government employee, not family needs, every needs is not completed family, but business, every business person is more money, so you can more needs, means house, car, Apple mobile, traveling, flights. So every person has a business, because no more money. Starting is a tea, starting tea business and pakoda business is small amount. Okay, then government job only 8 hours duty. Okay, but business is 2 hours duty, 3 hours, 4 hours, and long time money. So security is not important. Important is money. Okay, job person only 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, and hours morning 9 to 6 p.m. But business, मतलब business people is not important time. Is important is how can expire my business and come to money. So then already is India most businessman person Dhirubhai Ambani, Tata, Birla. Every person is a businessman. So all government servant is
Yeah,
Right.
basically trying to say that in job there is not such type of increment in your payment, but if you are considered any businessman, then it is a preferable, or they have their own finance or not a fixed amount of payment. So yeah,
Yeah.
he is right.
But it is most time engaging profession is business.
But right,
You have to
but
do
you,
more
you
time.
you starting the government job, you small money amount. Okay, 10,000, 5,000, same
But
condition.
it is best
There
for
are high-paid
retirement
jobs
also.
Huh?
There are high paid jobs also in
No,
government.
no high paid job not only for IS officer last ending retirement only 2 lakhs at 2.5 lakhs only per month. But business, every business person above month even 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, even already 1 crore monthly charge, matlab payment receive. But government servant is not, is a low salary.
But you are in
Already
business.
I have businessman only
best
2 months
example-
start my business. Last 2 years only I have 3 lakhs per month income. Only 1 month starting my business and 3 lakhs. Give me the more money. But receive the corona, then my business is stop. Then I will be, my next plan is already I am also doing a job. Okay, already I am 80,000 per month salary, but I am not satisfied because my future is only business because high salary. Because I also doing a job my family.
Yes, the best example of Drishti, we know the Drishti Academic and their CEO, they quit their government job and they starting their own business. So we can consider the business get more profitability as compared to the job.
But it is it get give fame to some peoples and some loses their money.
Yeah, but every coin has two sides, and also it is a man-made thing. So we can face their advantage and disadvantage also.
Every business is there is up and down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But in job we promoted also exploring the world or things. But in business,
And our family get also security.
But not suddenly na promoted.
If
After some years,
after some year, but promoted no.
But promoted, but salary is very low.
but if any business person
Every
get,
person working is only salary. Okay, not a social worker. Every person, because every person we needs some money.
if a business fails down and sometimes they also get
Ma'am, for
Crisis.
any business, it is some type of insurance and security are present.
right.
If we done that type of security or insurance, then we cannot face the means ups and downs.
So already business flop, already insurance is
Yeah.
all covered money. So no doubt business loss.
In the starting of business or any other startup, we need funds. Instead of we can't start business. We
No,
have to
no,
take
that is
loans.
not more money. Business starting
No.
only 100 rupees you can start a business.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
only
there is a
tea.
competition in
Okay,
that
tea.
business.
No.
Chai wala, we see lots of chai wala is there on the road.
competition.
There is lots of competition, and as we see Chinese, Maggi, there is lots of competition in that. We need to that level or that expense we need to
Or maintain to quality
Quality.
also.
we need funds there, and in startup we have not funds that much.
every person मतलब morning evening more time expend मतलब entertainment. Okay, so already Amravati city is very high population. Okay, so some people one side, some people on the side, so every businessman to money na already 10 shop because 1000 people, so already one businessman not handle na 1000 people, so some people already outside. So decide that na.
In my opinion, there is no security in business because let's assume that I am starting any chai business near Katura Naka. My business is doing great. I am earning lots of money, and after some time there is another guy starting beside me.
Right.
There is not, and my client and my
Customers.
my customers go there.
Migrate. Okay.
Migrate.
Yes.
And
But actually your own tea business बस export का मतलब new quality, export business new ideas. Okay. Then increment ना तो already your business startup मतलब grow.
yes,
But
you
if
are
something unexpected happens with a business person, then what will be the future of his family? What will his family do for bread and butter? But in job, family has that security. They get some money from government, so they can survive at least.
Yes, after retirement also they can survive with that money.
In business there is some concept, means you complete if you create any new product, so you can patent for it, copyright for it. It gives you in future you got this profit in your account. So it is of course you say that if our family member get some happen with them, so what can the family do? So there is so many options for that, means copyright patent is a good for the any businessman or any new creator. It is beneficial for the family also, means their profit is automatically in their account.
But it happens with some businessmen.
Yeah.
Not everyone.
Hi friends, I am Atharva. My today's debate topic is job versus business. My point of view, business is better than jobs because, for example, yesterday my one-to-one session is ma'am. Ma'am says his brother depends on construction. He is earned by the 50 acres in his village. Because I agree with your points, sir.
Right.
Secretary is not important in life. Money is most important.
I also one example. My neighbor, 26 years old boy, he start tea canteen and he buy in within a 1 year a flat 26 lakh. 26 lakh.
I think that a business is good for a person because a person having a job will think about that it is expensive, we will buy after a month, but a businessman will never think about it. He will think that it is good quality, then he will buy it. So I think that business is good.
Yeah, also in business there is more chance to get increase or create employment, because you see in only one tea canteen there is a many worker get employment. So yeah, it is beneficial.
Yeah, if you want to earn more and more money, you do business than job. And also in businesses there is a leadership also. Because in business we start our business and our under there are lots of people work, and there is also employment also.
As my opinion, in business you can fulfill your dreams fully, but you can your mental peace. You can give your
It happened with job also.
but there is a mental peace there.
Now in private job, working hours also more.
More, but we can fulfill our dream also in job.
But in business, we manage our time own, not manage
Manage your time or thinking about all the day to expand your business.
Yes.
At that time you can't focus on your children, your family, your grandparents, and in the
We
business,
have to travel.
in job you work for day all day, but at the time of night you with your family.
And
There is a
actually,
mental peace
in job
and there
we
is
have
enjoyment.
holidays, Saturday, Sunday. So in
But
business
personal life
there
is there.
Personal
Yes.
life.
If you are in business,
I think job is a better than business, because if you go to the married, so you will ask first question, what is your job? So job is the most important. You says note that what is your business. Job is a very security your life, and they will
girl also prefer to marry a job person, job holder person.
Yes, but it is a old concept, I think.
nowadays
Nowadays,
girls
many
will be
girls
interested
are
in
doing their
businessman.
business.
Small kirana shop,
Yeah.
beauty parlor.
Yeah, best example
Yeah,
for women is beauty
In
parlor. There
business,
is
there is a more chance to learn new things or improve our skill. In job, there is not at all any chance to increase our knowledge or something new skill, because there is a fixed time to time, this to this, and the time the work also fixed. So it is not chance to get expand our knowledge.
There is also expansion of knowledge. New courses
But
are
in
there.
business
They also
there is
have to
more
upgrade
chance.
themselves. They have to also learn computers,
And
Yeah,
new
it is
technology.
new
For
technology.
incrementing in job we need to update ourselves, and there are a lot of in corporate sector there is a lot of competition. That why employee need to improve ourselves, that way survive in that.
Thank you.
गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसरजवळच यायला लागते. बिझनेससाठी परमिशन घ्यायची असेल तर गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसरकडेच यायला लागतं.
To all of you, our discussion is very interesting, and thank you all of you for sharing your reviews about job versus business, and it was a very interesting topic, and the conclusion is persons have to prefer, they want to do job or they want to do business. Every person has their pros and cons, and it's a total their opinion to do job or business. It is a unending topic. So thank you all of you.